Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Alfayet and I'm from 3A class. Tonight I'm going to tell you about articulated dump truck, also known as ADT. ADT are one of the most important heavy equipment on mining project. It can help us to move very much material on one ride. On ADT, the cabin placed on the middle so driver can look or control the vehicle easily, and the cabin designed very user friendly so that the driver can drive for a long time with no pain. The dumper made to bring tons of material. It helped the project very well. It is also held by very strong truck body, designed for a quite long trip. This and the next one, this thing is the difference between articulated dump truck and off-highway truck. The way it doesn't turn the front tire, but it is turn the front body also with the cabin. It also designed to keep all the tire get the grip so it will be better on off-road. And the last one, ADT is one of the best earth mover on the mining project. It is fast, strong, and high mobility to deliver material, load tons of material, and the most important thing, it is easy to drive. So, and this is the last slide of my presentation. So, I think that's all. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.